Alright, so check this out, everyone. This client has a really small swarm, and when I pulled up, I saw a bunch of bees on the ground, so I wonder if the queen fell down. Let me show you the rest of the swarm. It's pretty small, but that little clump that's on the ground seems very suspicious to me. Why those bees are down there. So I set my box here with some drawn combs. This is a seasoned box that has had bees in it before. And I'm wondering if we'll see the queen walk in there. If there's even a queen here. They like the box. You see the fanners in there? I mean, I just set the box on literally 15 seconds before I activated the camera. You know, if she can't fly, this could be a good option for her. So let me set the camera up and just let it watch in case I miss it. I think I'm gonna come back later and see what has happened. The end for now.